This one got hit in this left rear corner, folded up the trunk floor. I have a Toyota Sienna here. This one got hit in this left front corner, and it's going to get some new structure here. It's going to get this cross piece that goes just like that, as well as this plate, and then also this upper left side tie bar piece. So pretty straightforward. A little bit of repair work on the door here, some scratches on the post from when the fender came back and slid over top of this. So I'll get all the structure cut out first, then I'll start fitting up my new pieces, fit up the fender and the headlight, and then get these pieces all welded in. So I realized that this top rail is just rolled in just a little bit. So I put my ram on there to make a light pull. It didn't need much. Now that's starting to fit up a lot better now. I got this left front corner all fit together. Got my headlight and my fender fitting correctly. Everything looks good. These brackets are all sitting right where they need to. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pull the fender and the headlight back off, and I'm gonna get these pieces welded in, and then I'll put that upper tie bar piece on as well. I just about have this one wrapped up. I'm gonna give it to Eric. There's a little bit of glaze work that's gotta be done right here. and sand out these scratches and get this one primed up and over to our paint department so they can get it painted. And also our mechanic has to do suspension work on it. So I'm gonna dive into the next one. I have a Nissan Altima here. This one got hit in this left rear corner, kind of down low, all in this area. Wadded up extension right here, the quarter panel extension, and also folded up the trunk floor inside of here. Also, whenever this moved, it shifted this quarter panel a little bit and it buckled it. I gotta pull all this damage out, and when I pull that out, it should release the tension and shift this quarter panel back to where it's supposed to be. And then it'll relieve the tension on the quarter panel right there. So I'm gonna dive into this one first and go ahead and make some pulls, and then I will start cutting the rear body panel off. So since this back panel is getting replaced anyway, I'm gonna drill a hole right here and I'm gonna put a plate on the back side and use that to pull off of. Now the trunk floor is actually pulling out very nicely. I'll hammer and dolly it. Once this back panel's off, I'll be able to get in there and hammer and dolly it and finish it out the rest of the way. Make a pull up here now and bring that out some, because this is all shoved in, and that's probably more so what's causing this buckle in the quarter panel. I take that back. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this first, bring that out, and then I'll grab up there and pull that. As I've pulled this out, it's relaxed the tension on this quarter panel right here. It's going to need a little bit of glaze work when it's all said and done, but it's definitely relaxed as all of that's pulled out.